Number 8. All right? You got this, Eli? Okay. Well, let's make sure we've all got it. Diego, you finding this paper? That's what I say. It's purple. Everything in this unit is going to be purple, right? Last unit was pink. This unit, everything's purple. So when you're looking through your stuff, it's purple. You guys all got it here. Perfect. You got it. You guys got it. You guys got it. Perfect. Hey, there we go. So take a look on the back. We're going to start with number 8 right here, okay? So just write what I write. So for number 8, right, you didn't have to do the highlighting, but I'm going to just for, I don't know, ease of understanding. So my y-axis in pink, my line in yellow. Where do those two lines cross?
Downhill.
Right here at -2. Now Ray says this is going downhill. That's a great indicator that my slope is going to be what? If it's going downhill, right?
Oh, negative.
Negative, right? So I know right away my m is going to be negative something, okay? I'm going to start at this left point. I'm going to work my way over to this right point. So if I'm starting here, do I have to rise up or down? I got to go down. 2 spaces down. How many spaces to the right?
3.
3 spaces to the right. So what fraction can I set up for my slope?
2/3.
2/3. And because we went down 2, going down on the y-axis would be negative. So we get -2/3. All right. So if we have our b and our m, we can just plug those in. What would my equation here look like? Y equals what?
Equals -2/3 minus 2.
That's right. We just need an x after that fraction. Isn't this true? That's okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Yeah, so y is equal to -2/3 x minus 2. We don't want to forget about that x. I saw that a couple of times yesterday. Y is equal to -2/3 x minus 2 is my equation. And I'm sure you guys had the x in there. We just forgot to say it. Give me a thumbs up if you got that equation for number 8. Anybody? Bree got it? Yeah, Lena, Ray. Okay. Perfect. All right, number 9. Now, number 9 is interesting. Where does this line cross the y-axis in number 9?
The origin.
At the origin. So what would my b value be equal to?
0.
0. Now, just looking ahead, am I going to write +0 on the end of my equation? No, right? Because adding 0 doesn't do anything for me, right?
I think it's accurate.
Sure. So I cross right here at the origin. That means my b value is 0. I see I've got another point up there. I'm going to start on the left. How many spaces am I going to rise?
4.
4?
2.
Oh.
We're rising up 2, and then we're running how many, Ray?
4.
4, that's right. Remember, we got to rise before we run. So what's my fraction here going to look like? 4/2?
2/4.
2/4. Rise over run. Now, can I simplify 2/4?
Yeah.
Yeah, what factor do 2 and 4 have in common?
2.
A 2. So if I divide the top by 2 and the bottom by 2, what does this slope turn into? 1/2. That's right. So y is equal to 1/2 x plus 0. Like we said, I don't need that plus 0. I can clean it up just like that. Now, if you remember, this makes what type of relationship here? Proportional, because it's going right through the origin. Okay? Anybody get y is equal to 1/2 x on number 9? Good. Okay. So empty today. How many people are gone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. I wonder why. And finally, number 10. Again, I see a downhill sloping line, so I know my slope's going to be negative. Where's my b value here? Where do my two lines cross? At 2. Positive 2. So I know I'm going to have y is equal to something x plus 2. I just got to find what that something in front is going to be. Okay? I got to point all the way down here. If I start on the left, am I going to be rising up or down? I'm going to be rising down. How many spaces down?
4.
Looks like 4 down. How many to the right? Oh, you can leave your stuff. It'll be like 2 minutes, she said. Yeah. And then we're running to the right. How many? 5. That's right. So my rise over run, 5 over 4. Right? Can I simplify 5 over 4 at all? That's what? Is it right?
That was negative 4 over 5.
Negative 4 over 5? How did you get negative 4 over 5? I got a 5 and a 4.
Downhill.
I'm going down. Oh, okay. So negative 5 over 4, right?
No, negative 4 over 5.
Negative 4 over 5. Why does the 4 go on top?
Because it's a rise.
Oh, I see. I got to rise over my run. Oops. Negative 4 over 5. Okay, that makes more sense. That sounds about right to me. Is that what you guys got? Negative 4 over 5x? Emerson saying yeah. Angelina saying yeah. Okay. Beautiful.
Did you get it wrong on purpose to see if we would get it right?
Maybe.
Okay.
Do I do that a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good. Trying to see if you guys are paying attention, which you always are. So I appreciate it. Any other questions on here we could answer? 12. Perfect. I appreciate it. Let's take one last look here at number 12. Ray, where's my B value on number 12?
Your B value is at 1.
1. Beautiful. 1. I see I've got another point down here. Am I going to start on the left or the right?
The left.
Always the left. Am I going to be rising up or down?
Down.
If we're starting here and going there, we're rising down 2 spaces. And we're running to the right how many spaces?
5.
5, right? So my m is 2 over 5. Y is equal to 2 over 5x plus 1.
Negative.
Negative 2? Good catch again. How do I know that my slope should be negative?
Because you're going down.
Because I rose down. What's another way we can tell that
Divide.
this is going to be negative? Jawan?
Divide if it goes down.
Divide if it goes down?
The line.
Oh, the line if it goes down. Oh, yes. Okay, that's what you were saying earlier, Ray, right? If I drew a little person up here on the left and told them to walk to the other side of my line, would they be going up the hill or down the hill?
Down.
They'd be going down, right? So that would be negative. Great job. Now, today we're going to be looking at tables. So we're not going to have the visual of if the line is sloping up or down. So we'll talk about how to tell that right about now.